Hello everyone, my name's Mike. Like many people, we started working up in the loft on our railway during lockdown, and I've been persuaded that it's time that we showed some of you what we've been doing. I got my first rails in the early 60s when I was a mere youth, and we've still got them, and we decided to try and use some of these first of all. So basically, most people just got a loop of track, and that got a bit boring for a while. So then people commonly save up and buy some more track and add some points and get some sort of layout. And here's one we prepared earlier. One of the most difficult problems people bumped into was what happens if you want to turn trains round at the end of a line. And you could connect the track together to make a nice big loop, and it works fine until you electrify it. So yeah, the problem come in that you put the power into the single track and then it travels all the way around the outside rail and you get a short circuit. So solution to that was to put a brake in the outside rail. So that's okay until you run an engine over it and then the short circuit occurs through the train engine. So a better solution is to put two brakes in the outside rail and have an isolated section. So you energise the green rail on your way in, park your train in there, switch across to energise it from the black rail and drive it out again. So what about middle rail? That's not the same problem because the points we're using have got an automatic switch in it which switches the power between the rails, so that's not a problem. So how do we make it work? Well, we decided we'd put some track down and then we'd put some buttons or switches in to make the connections between the brakes and then operate it as it says. You push the buttons to drive it in, change it over, drive it back out again. So that's the basic idea. So what happens when you add a second loop though? Actually, you don't have the same electrical problems because with two tracks, the polarity never changes. So we haven't built this one yet. This takes up quite a bit of space, but you could, in theory, join two of those together, and with all the different sections in the line, you could actually run trains up to 10 trains, I think it is, um, between the different breaks. Hope that was of some interest, and please subscribe and like and all the rest of it. Thank you. Bye.